What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Washington Way. Today we got a special video for y'all. We're gonna do a little yard work. So we've been having a house for about, I want to say about 5 months now. And when they first gave us the house, it had pine straw. The pine straw is getting everywhere. It's looking kind of dull. So our plan is to pull up the pine straw and then lay down some mulch, get us some landscaping rocks to make it look better and make the house more appealing. So we're gonna take y'all through the process of us doing it. We're not gonna hire a contractor to do it, so we'll see how this go. Y'all stay tuned, man. So this is how the pine straw looks. As you see, it's kind of everywhere. It's still in that circular position, but you see the grass is starting to grow underneath it, so we need to lay some tarp down to keep the grass from showing, and then we'll go ahead and put the mulch in a circular and have some blocks going around that outside right there. So this tree, we're gonna have to dig up the pine straw around it and lay some mulch down, probably level it a little bit to make sure it's even when the mulch sits down. So we already dug up a little bit to see what's underneath, and it's nothing but, you know, just dirt. So we gonna get it done. It's probably gonna be a whole day process. Got to pull up some of these weeds, put some weed eater down, and make sure it looks right. It looks dull right now, but hey, we gonna make it happen.
Alright, y'all, so these are the ones we need to get?
Yeah, shoe block.
Okay.
Those are the Crotons.
Should we go ahead and get them now?
Because you ain't finna take those.
Oh, okay. We are back at Lowe's. The guys have already put the mulch down. So now we are coming back to get the bricks to go around the mulch.
We'll do the front first, and then we'll see how much we have left over, and then we can always come back.
So you want to take it down and bring it around?
Unless we try to go over there and see if they got some that's already like. hope y'all loved the video. We did a lot of hard work in that yard yesterday. I came out to look at it. It looks real good. Super excited about it. It took about 9 hours with, pulling up the straw. It took about 2.5 hours to pull up the straw. Early in the morning, I got up at 7 to pull up the straw. And it took about another 3 to 4 hours to pull up the trees, lay down the mulch, line it up with the edger. So, man, I'm super excited about it. We love it. I feel like it brings our house out more. The brick color we definitely love because it goes with the house. The red mulch, I've always been a fan of red mulch. And shout out to my boy Brenton. I wouldn't have got it done without him because, he actually does landscaping in Lakeland in South Florida. So he definitely gave me a lot of good tips about, redoing the mulch whenever I'm ready to do it. And, whenever I have to pull out the trees and stuff, he taught me pretty much everything I needed to know. So he was a big help. Shout out to Candace and Kiera. They actually was there for moral support, and making sure that we were good while we were getting the job done. But overall, each brick cost $1.98. I want to say we used about 70 bricks. We originally got 100, so we did return some of the bricks. And really, it was a lot of work, man. I was tired, man. We had to pressure wash the driveway because it was mulch everywhere and stuff like that. But I want to say we used about 12 to 13 bags of mulch. So it looks good, man. We got some extra bags of mulch whenever we need to, freshen it up once the mulch gets dull and shrinks up. So we'll be able to easily replace that. But other than that, I'm tired of the straw. We're done with the straw. That was a cheap option by DR Horton to give us straw on a house that's we paid a lot of money for. So very thankful and blessed. And like always, man, we're on a road to 300 subscribers. We're loving the feedback we're getting back with the home videos, with our vlog videos. Just keep showing that support. And if we are helping y'all in any kind of way, whether it's home, whether it's you love the channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that, man. We need it. We need it. But yeah, peace out, y'all. It's the Washington Way. We got a lot coming up. We got a wedding in 1 month. We got our marriage certificate we're getting on May 11th. So we'll have plenty of vlogs coming. So y'all stay tuned, man. We out.